story teaches us that friendship can blossom in the most unexpected places, and that even the smallest creatures can have big wisdom to share. Ever felt lost and alone? Explorer extraordinaire Amelia did. Shipwrecked on a deserted island, surrounded by unfamiliar flora and fauna, Amelia despaired. Days turned into weeks, and the once vibrant explorer felt her. One particularly gloomy afternoon, Amelia sat by the shore, kicking at the sand. Suddenly, a voice squeaked, "Excuse me, miss, is something wrong?" Amelia looked down, startled, to see a wrinkled old turtle staring up at her. Amelia sputtered, "A talking turtle. This island must be making me hallucinate." The turtle chuckled, a dry, raspy sound. "Not at all, miss. I'm Sheldon, and I've seen my fair share of shipwrecked souls in my time." Amelia, initially skeptical, poured out her woes to Sheldon. The wise old turtle listened patiently. Then, in a surprisingly insightful voice, he offered advice on finding food and shelter on the island. He even shared stories of past explorers who had found their way back to civilization. With newfound hope, Amelia followed Sheldon's guidance. Slowly, she began to thrive on the island. She built a sturdy shelter, learned to identify edible plants, and even befriended a flock of colorful parrots. Through it all, Sheldon remained a constant companion, offering support and encouragement. One day, a glint on the horizon caught Amelia's eye. A ship. With a mix of sadness and excitement, she bid farewell to Sheldon and the island. As she boarded the ship, she turned back for one last look. There, on the shore, stood Sheldon, a tiny figure waving with a flipper. Amelia's adventure had been unlike anything she'd ever imagined. She returned home not just a seasoned explorer, but with a newfound appreciation for the power of unexpected friendships and the wisdom that can come from the most unlikely sources.